Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a look for Pride. And this is what I came up with. I don't know if you can see in camera, but I do have Pride here in my ball of Pride. Okay, it's there, and I went in with the matte book for this look that I am doing today. So if you guys want to see how I completed this look, just stay tuned. Okay.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for
Right, so we are starting with one eye completed, and we will replicate this eye over here. Right, so normally we start with my brows already done, but I am going in with the Technique brown pencil, and this is small because I use this all the time, and the Saffron dark brown pencil, and I will be doing my eyes with this, and I will be cleaning it up with the P. Louise white base, which is also very unusual for me, but I wanted the colors to stand out, so this is what we're going in with. Okay. Right, today we will be using the matte book to create my Pride look. For those of you who don't know, which I don't know who wouldn't know, this is how it looks, and I will be going in with the purple, the orange, and this yellow at the top, and then I will go in with the other colors after I cut my crease. Right, so we are dipping back into the matte book, and I will be going in with the same colors here. So I will be going in with this blue first, then this green, then the red, then I have some pink here, some orange, and then some yellow. Okay. Right, so if you're wondering what I used to do the top of my cut crease, I went in with this Meglan Silver Glitter liner. This is in the shade 1, which I got from AliExpress, and then I went in with some glitters that I got off eBay. All I did was dip this into the glitters and then just put that at the top of my crease. Okay. Right, so I didn't finish the top of my brows, which I am going to do now, and then I am going to start my base routine. Okay. This is the completed look, guys, and I just added my Pride here. Let me just see if I can darken this a bit so you can see it. Can you see it? I think so. Okay. But yes, this is my Pride ball, and this is the look that I came up with. Let me know what you guys think. Bye, guys.